G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here at a unique opportunity, 12 on the Esplanade in Point Vernon. Homes in this location rarely become available, so let's go and take a look around. Don't miss this rare opportunity to secure your own piece of paradise in one of Hervey Bay's most exclusive locations on the Esplanade in the popular bayside suburb of Point Vernon. This character-filled home is perched on a 675 square metre allotment, offering the lifestyle that only living on the Esplanade can offer, overlooking Parkland Reserve and beautiful Gatakers Bay just up the street from the boat ramp. You also have the convenience of being only a short drive away from Hervey Bay's key amenities, which include shopping centres, hospitals, medical centres, the golf course and everything else that makes Hervey Bay great. Originally built around 1955 and refurbished over time, this home is in need of renovation with plenty of opportunity to personalise and make it your own. You will immediately note the view from the large landing at the entry. This area is in need of underpinning and we have already arranged a quote and information to rectify this issue. One of these options does include replacing this landing with a timber deck, which would make the ideal outdoor entertaining area. This is where you will kick back and enjoy the coveted north aspect and Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate while overlooking that private strip and Parkland Reserve across the Esplanade to beautiful Gatakers Bay. There is an open plan dining area leading off the front entry that seamlessly connects with the outdoor entertaining area. The kitchen is functional and includes a large walk-in pantry and a 5-burner gas cooktop with range hood and an electric wall oven and grill. There is also split system air conditioning which flows across the kitchen and dining areas. There is an elevated lounge and living room up a small flight of stairs that does include a ceiling fan and split system air conditioning whilst offering views out across that Parkland Reserve to the water. You also have a large rumpus or games room to the rear of this home with built-in storage cupboards and split system air conditioning. This home offers great separation and privacy for everyone, with the main bedroom being located to the front off the kitchen. The main bedroom does include an ensuite with a shower, vanity and toilet. You then have 2 remaining bedrooms, both with built-in wardrobes, ceiling fans and air conditioning off the upstairs living area. This home does include 2 additional bathrooms, one on each level, and both including a shower, vanity and toilet. The laundry includes a built-in Robin Hood ironing board and offers direct access outside to the clothesline. For vehicle accommodation, there is an oversized double garage with remote roller doors and direct internal access into the home. You also have clear side access with ample space to accommodate large RVs, caravans and boats. There is also a large 4x4 workshop to the rear. This home does include a large 15,000 gallon rainwater tank built in under the driveway with the option to run the entire home on rainwater. You also have a selection of fruit and citrus trees and low maintenance established gardens. If you're looking for a home that offers the lifestyle that comes with such an idyllic location as this, here's your opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.